Hey, what's up everybody? Fishalats here. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Got a bunch of fishing tackle and rods and reels and everything. I hope everybody had a safe and wonderful holiday. The weather here in Florida has gotten warmer, so the fishing has really picked up again. The largemouth are feeding like crazy. Stripers are out there, and I don't know why, but I've been catching myself a bunch of plecos. That's what I get for fishing on the bottom, I guess. But now that the weather is warmed up, the bass are biting, and I hope you guys are getting out there and fishing in this wonderful weather. I hope y'all all had a wonderful, wonderful holiday.
Just a little guy. I'm just glad she didn't freaking swallow it this time. Oh, it feels good to catch a bass. Checkworm! June bug colored! Hold on. Alright, nice little one to start the day off. Not bad. Alright, little girl. Let's go. There you go. Right in that part of your jaw. Get this out. It'll be good. Well, let me get this out. Here's a nice one. Blue. It's like black with blue flecks. That's like my favorite, man. That's a nice one. Nice fish. Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this one. There we go. There's a nice one. Texas rig trick worm. Ooh, ooh. Not a bad little one. Alright, let's let this little one go so we can try and catch another. Bye, little girl. Another very decent one. Actually a nice decent one. Right in the... I got the hook in my finger. Nice one. What do you guys think about that one? Woo! Nice. Beautiful fish. Nice, decent fish. Nice and healthy. Just the way I like them. Alright. Dang rocks. Alright, let's put her in. Let her grow up to get bigger. Scared you swallowed it. Nice. Nice, another decent one. Woohoo! Gee, that's like 3 in the last 10 minutes. All on the Texas rigged June bug trickworm. Let's let her go.